Hello and welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos and SOC Glitters, and it is not Sunday. No, no, you didn't accidentally get abducted by aliens or anything and get sucked into next Sunday. No, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, okay? But I wanted to hop on and do kind of a little midweek thing with you guys because my busy season starts now. This is the beginning of, oh, I have some stuff on my face. This is this is the beginning of my busy season. I'm getting a lot of sales for my Tumblr shop, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to do right now. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do my tutorials on top of running both my businesses and, 4 kids and whatnot. So my thought process is I would hop on every once in a while during the week, maybe twice a week. And then Sundays I would leave for, like how I typically do. We kind of go over some new designs. I chat with the family a little bit more on my Sunday vlogs. And then the stuff during the week, it would just be me working and you guys kind of watching, seeing my process and seeing how I handle large orders. But I've had my YouTube channel since April, and this is going to be our first Christmas together. This is going to be our first big holiday with each other. And I kind of want to share that with you guys. I want to share my process and the things that I do with you guys. I would really like to do that. So that's kind of what I'd like to do probably until December-ish, until I get all my orders done. How about that? Which will be sometime in December. So that's what I'm thinking with this. Mm-hmm. I'm obviously going to try to fit in tutorials as well if I can, because I have stuff in my head and I want to do it, and then just finding the time to be able to do it between everything that I do here is difficult. And it's either run my Tumblr business or do tutorials. And as much as I'd love to do tutorials for you guys, I gotta run my business because that comes first. Well, family first, then business, right? My midweek vlogs are also going to be where I answer questions. So if you guys put questions down below on this video, I'll answer it in my next one. So like I said, I want to try to do these little mini things a couple times a week in between everything. So I'll be answering questions on my next video after that. So if you have questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability, because I'm not perfect. I'm not 100%. I'm trying. I'm doing my best here. I know some of you guys are probably like, who are new, are probably like, how does this lady make all these sales? I don't understand. I just been doing it for a couple years now, like I said, and it's just a snowball effect of doing it and then having customers tell other customers and reviews and whatnot. It's just been a snowball effect for me, along with, maybe tweaking some things that I do on my shop. I don't know. So I'm going to try really hard to keep continuing to raise you guys up, to get those sales for you guys. So another thing I'm going to do with these little midweek vlogs is I'm going to be randomly putting people's other Tumblr makers shops in with these vlogs as well. So that way we can help each other out. We can go onto their Facebook and like their Facebook, or we can go onto their Etsy if they have Etsy and like that, or Instagram, or however people sell, because everybody sells differently, just like everybody does art differently. We all do our thing differently, and that's completely okay. But I have my VIP group, and I put up a post, it was a while ago, but it's still, my thread is still going, and people are still posting their shops. So I'm just gonna randomly pick maybe three shops, 3 or 4, and I'll put them in the description below, so that way we can go through and we can show each other some love, because there's absolutely nothing wrong with giving a thumbs up or saying, hey, that's beautiful, or even purchasing something. I do it. I purchase from other tumbler makers. I go through and I tell people how beautiful their items are, and that's what we need right now. We need that. We need that positivity. We need to raise each other up. So I think that's what my midweek vlogs are going to be. Okay. So, I mean, this is my first one, so I'm just sitting here in my garage talking with you guys. Obviously, they're not all going to be me sitting in the garage like how my Sunday vlogs are. So my next one, I'll probably be in my craft room and we'll be crafting together. Well, I'll be working, you know, kind of talking with you guys, you know, maybe answering questions while I do that. So, but this is what I think I'm going to be doing for the next couple months, just so that way I don't get behind on my sales by trying to do tutorials and everything else. And I hope you guys don't mind. And I'm so happy that you're here, and I'm so happy that you can experience this with me. And I want nothing more but for this to be for you. I want nothing more than for you to have all these sales that I have on your table. I want that for you. I want you to succeed, and that's why I'm here. I'm here to try to raise you up and try to give as much as I can, knowledge as I can. I'm doing my best. But anyways, it was Delilah's birthday today. For those of you who watch my other vlogs, it was Delilah's birthday today. We're not going to celebrate till the weekend because it's a school day today. It's only Tuesday. But I have my afternoon drink. I'm not prepping and slaying because it's the end of the day. I'm tired. This is go to bed and sleep, maybe, hopefully, and then get up at 5:30 and start all over again. But since this is my first midweek vlog, like I said, put your questions below. I'll answer them next round. And don't forget to look at the shops that I'm going to post randomly, just completely randomly. I'm not picking anybody in particular, nothing like that. I'm just going to go through one by one and make sure that I try to show people love every single midweek vlog. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of whatever I have going on here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.